Good morning, traders. Richard getting a quick artificial intelligence and Ichimoku cloud charter market review of the QQQ and the TQQQ. Very strong rally in April. Yeah, we've captured about more than 22% of this rally using artificial intelligence. The volatility breakout signal sits on the Fulgent AI engine, and we were very comfortable in taking this trade because we also rebounded from a cluster of cloud chart support levels there. So what a fantastic move. We're now looking at updating the trailing stop loss there. Fulgent AI engine 644 is the automated stop loss, but I'll take it right up there to the top there because we are now moving in very, very extended territories. I would move a trailing stop up to 668, just below the 670 zone. That's the new upside trailing stop loss level to lock in this profit, because we are very extended from the top end of the Ichimoku cloud, and that is raising the risk factor in the market. Now, just to recap, the AI that we're using is for artificial intelligence engines. It sits on the Metastock platform. We've used more than a couple of billion calculations using genetic algorithms in developing this artificial intelligence engine, using all available technical analysis, trading strategies, as well as combination thereof. So we've done millions and millions and millions of calculations to come up with this artificial intelligence engine. And the last time we retrained it was in February of last year, 24th of February last year. So all these signals are running in a live environment. So there's a major market reversal signals, 87% accurate on average, 10% average profit per trade. That's over thousands of data bars, 15,000 data bars. Swing trade is 85% accurate, average profit per trade is about 10%. Volatility breakouts, 53% accurate, 1.7% average profit per trade, because that the volatility breakout signal does happen quite a lot in this strategy. And then a quick move is about 70% accurate, 71%, 1.7% accuracy there. So that's the artificial intelligence engine that we're using. More information is right at the end of the show of this. Back to the analysis. So we can see we've captured most of those move. Keep the trailing stop at 668. Let's take a look at the 4-hour intraday chart there. You can see beautiful volatility breakout signals there. That one got stopped out there, but the last two very active. We then had a cloud chart cross buy signal there as well. So that move, in addition to the AI, the Ichimoku cloud chart signal also captured that 16% move in the market on the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud. We then had a cloud chart cross signal there. We also got another buy signal there in and around that rebound there, and that's also up about 12% there. We then had another cloud chart rebound buy on the turning line of the Ichimoku cloud, as well as a volatility breakout signal there. And the trailing stop on the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud now is in and around 671. So that's the trailing stop for all 4 of these trades. We've got these two. Yeah, let me just put a percentage in there. So when that one opened up there, so there we go, 21%. So quite a cluster of lots of trade signals in and around the volatility breakout signal, as well as classic Ichimoku cloud chart signals on that one. Turning to the hourly for the more aggressive traders, we can see we had a beautiful triple signal here. We've got the volatility breakout signal at the bottom left. We also had the successful rebound from the standard line of the Ichimoku cloud, and then we had a cloud chart cross in and around that. We also had a cloud chart support rebound at the bottom end of the Ichimoku cloud, so that's good. So we had extra comfort, and that was a really big money move there. A couple of signals in one go there. Then we get the cloud chart cross back in bullish territory, since price action above the cloud is bullish, and then we just kept on adding to the position as we got more volatility breakout signals, as well as these Ichimoku cloud chart standard line rebound signals there. So you can see plenty of signals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 profitable trades on the back of that. Now the trailing stop loss on the hourly one, let me just zoom in here, is in and around the 675 zone. So keep that in mind for the Ichimoku cloud. Now, just to look at it from a big picture perspective, we look at the weekly Ichimoku cloud. You can see we've very extended from the top in the cloud. So we are moving in a profit-taking zone. A very strong rebound rally from this cloud chart support zone there gave us extra confidence in taking that trade there. Just moving straight up. Keep that in mind that we now very extended from the top in the cloud. So we should see some form of a consolidation at some point soon, probably after NVIDIA results, and then it could come back and retest this breakout of 636. So that's the downside risk, is a correction back down to 636. But just keep those trailing stop loss in place as we move higher, and you just keep locking in all those profits. As for the TQQ, which is a 3 times leveraged ETF of the QQQ, a great instrument to trade, 74% move there, captured all of that with 2 volatility breakout signals there. We also had the cloud chart cross signal there. Let me just put that one in there. So there we go. So we got that buy signal there, and then a solid move higher there, 52% move. We then had the cloud chart cross buy signal there. There we go, another one, also 39% there, roughly 39%. So absolutely fantastic, fantastic move using the Ichimoku cloud chart signals on the this is a 4-hour time frame. Yeah, we can see the bottom of the chart here. That's the 4-hour one. As for the hourly one, you can see beautiful signals there, volatility breakout signals, fantastic one there. Also a breakout signal there on the top of the standard line Ichimoku cloud there. So you had 2 signals there, extra comfort in that one. Another volatility breakout signal there, another one rebounding. Now this is a major reversal signal, so this is a really, really strong signal, highly successful, more than 80% accurate, so you could really load up on that one at that point in time. But you can see every time we get to the standard line of the Ichimoku cloud, there's a beautiful combination signal there with the volatility breakout signal as well as the cloud chart support test signal. Now remember, the artificial intelligence looks for high probability trade setup that consistently reappear. So there's a pattern. So it recognizes these patterns, and these typical signals are high probability trade setups. So this will immediately avoid signals that are not high probability trade setups. Some of the classic old technical analysis signals, some of them don't really work anymore, so the AI is superimposed, optimized those signals, and various combinations of different factors goes into this to artificial intelligence, but thousands of data points go into it. So on the TQQ, so on the hourly one, this trailing stop loss there is now 65.75. If we look at the TQQ on the daily one, I would move that stop right up to about the, let me just put that one in there, just below, above the 65 zone there. The TQQ on the 4-hour, I would move all these trades, trailing stop loss up to the 65 zone there, and then the well, we've got the stop losses on the QQQ so far. But so far so good. Caught really a lot of big moves using the artificial intelligence and Ichimoku cloud charts combined together on the TQQ, which is a 3 times leveraged ETF, and then we've got captured most of the 22% move in the QQQ. Now just remember, we are moving in profit-taking zone, and market's very extended. It's very euphoric right now, so there is a significant risk factor that we could see a bit of a correction in and around if NVIDIA results, etc., over the next couple of weeks. So keep that in mind. But so far so good, a very strong rally, all captured with using artificial intelligence together with the Ichimoku clouds. Hang on for the links at the end of the show if anybody's interested in getting hands on your own AI for the regular viewers and the new ones. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy cloud chart and AI trading. Bye for now.